the gorgeous, beautiful ladies and my dear beautiful viewers. How are you all? Very warm welcome to all of you on the journey of fashion and styles with Safeera. So today I am back again with another very stylish and versatile collection of summer seasons. So in my today's video, we are going to exploring the stylish, the versatility, the fashion, and the style designs of beautiful summer season skirt outfit ideas. So the skirts are a versatile and a stylish piece of clothing that can be worn for various occasions. And summer skirts are a staple for warm weathers and they are offering comfort, styles, and versatility. So here in this video, we are going to explore some popular styles, some popular types and designs that will must be considered in summer seasons. So we are going to exploring the maxi skirts. We are going to find out the midi skirt styles designs, mini skirts. Also get the ideas of wrap skirt designs, and you are going to find out the plaited skirt styles designs with beautiful colors, beautiful styles, beautiful designs for enhancing your summer styles and look with beautiful skirts outfit. So you are going to pair the floor skirts with the crop tops are tucked in the blouses for your stylish in the check look. And you can carry denim skirts with a cute tank tops or a graphic tees for a casual daytime look. And if you wanna styles and you want to enhance your styles and look, so you should go for plaited skirts. And you are interested to wear some plaited skirts, so you should go with fitted tops and heels for your formal looks. Or you can wear without casual tees and sneakers for your relaxed and comfort vibes. So, dear gorgeous ladies, dear girls, let's evaluate your summer wardrobe with beautiful, stylish, designing and versatile bold colors, playful prints, and flattering curves of skirt dresses. You can pair skirts with the various tops, with the shoes and accessories to create your unique and stylish outfit. How to style a skirts, how to style a skirt outfit for your different clients. It's all depend on an individual's interest and their likes. But it's most important to all of you to, first of all, if you are going to choose the dresses for your clients, so first of all, you should know about your body shapes, about your body types, then decided to dress that will flattering your body types, and then decided to a versatile fabric, versatile styles, designs of dress to enhance your look and styles according to you, your wardrobe, according to your clients. The casual, the formals, are semi-formal dress designs. So I hope so, the gorgeous ladies, the gorgeous viewers of my channel, you all are going to love the styles, the versatility of these skirt dresses. So watch video till the end. It's more than 100 plus styles, designs, and the versatile collection of fashionable summer season skirts outfit. Today we are going to find out in my today's video. So watch video till the end. And don't forget, if you are loving the versatility, the fashion and styles designs of these skirt dresses, so please do like video and do share my video with your friends, with your relatives, so that the new people get new ideas, new styles, new designs of skirts outfit, and they will able to enhance their styles and look with beautiful, stylish, and versatile of skirts dresses. Also, don't forget to tell me in the comment section which type of skirts outfit and which one article is your most favorite in my today's video, and why do you love most about these colors, these styles, the designs, which specific article of skirts you love most. This will be helpful for me for making my videos according to your options and according to your opinions. I will be very thankful to you if you are going to share your opinions in the comment section, not only about the this channel, not only about this video of skirts, Also tell me in the comment section which type of more videos you want to watch on my channel, or which type of more videos will be useful and helpful for you. This will be a very helpful for me for making videos according to your options. So I will be waiting for your kind opinions in the comment section. And don't forget, if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So after getting the notifications of my videos, you will get all the notifications and will never miss any idea, any collection, any style or any design on my channel. You will get the notifications on daily basis. So must watch video till the end. Don't forget to like and share video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also giving your feedback in the comment section about my videos, about my content and about my channel. So goodbye. Enjoy the video till the end. See you soon with a new collection of ideas, styles and design for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves. Goodbye. Enjoy the video till the end.